Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, November 5th. It is a big day in the markets and just in the world in general. Guys, it is election day. We will find out, well, at least probably in a week or so, once all the votes are counted, who our next president is going to be. Now, you guys, I will never get into politics here on this channel or in our Discord at all. I just want to keep it very clean from that. But with that said, guys, there can be a lot of volatility. You know, when things like this, when I call like the fundamental side of trading takes over the technical side of trading, we have to just be really good with our risk management. And right now, with the markets being so volatile, this is here on the 2-minute time frame, because when I'm on here right now, this is populated over here. You guys see how this is 40, 60, 80, 20, and then 20, 40, 60. These candles are engulfing 20 points. So I want to be trading on the 2-minute time frame. It's saying that there's enough range to be able to move that. Now on the 2-minute time frame, if our candles in general are moving 20 points, if we take that full value and we put it in half, basically we're going for 10 points on the 2-minute time frame, giving ourselves the best risk to reward. You want to set this to 40. So 40 ticks is going to be 10 points. Now I had this question yesterday. It's like, Justin, one, how do you set up your screen? Guys, this is actually two different screens. One here is Tradingview as a browser, and another one here is actually just Tradovate that I minimize and then bring over to the right hand side. And also on here, I'll go ahead and show you guys my ATM strategy. If you go to the bottom of the DOM on Tradovate, I just have this over here. As long as this setting, guys take a look, as long as this 40 here on TradingView, since we're on the 2-minute time frame, going for 10 points is 40, as long as that's set at 40, this is exactly the same. So essentially, the moment I get a buy signal, I'm entering right at the candle close to feel as close to that dot as possible. When I see price action cross above this, that is when, since these are both set to 40, this is when it'll close out my trade over here, take profit, and just be done for the day. So that's as simple as I'm doing it using both TradingView and Tradovate. Now, guys, I use Take Profit Trader as my funded prop firm accounts. Guys, they aren't going to have this deal on much longer. If you guys are looking into a prop firm account, I'll leave the description or the link in my description below here. It's 40% off all their accounts, and you never pay an activation fee. You know, this was actually the deal that I signed up on when I passed my eval accounts and then went to pro, and it has been the best experience I've ever had. So if you guys are contemplating with it, definitely please send me emails and let me know. I had 3 one-on-one trainings yesterday that were just absolutely incredible. I just want to thank every one of those people for just believing in what this system is. And those people are making so much money. And some of them have been experienced a couple years and if a little bit longer in trading, some not so much and just kind of getting going. But it's so neat to see basically the fast track process. Guys, I've been doing this for about 15 years and really diving into developing these metrics in the past 3 years. I started with options trading and then went over futures trading. And I'm dedicated 100% on futures trading to teach every single one of you guys and as many people as possible exactly what I do each day in the market to be able to pull out gains. Now, guys, I'll show you this just for transparency here. If we go to actually a total custom range here, I started this challenge actually on October 14th, and we'll go to today. So far, I've taken 18 trades, 18 winning trades and 0 losses. Will I have a loss? I'm sure I'll have a loss. I'm not perfect at all. I'll never claim that. But you guys, this is my live pro account right here. So far up $5,800 since the 14th of October, 18 wins, 0 losses. If you guys would like a printout of this, I can absolutely give this to you. But the way I'm doing this is all I'm doing is using these metrics and following specific guidelines. Guys, if you haven't done so already, I really want to see if I can get into a trade over here to show you guys just good risk management and to capitalize on something. But I am very strict. If I don't have a buy or sell signal and price action is moving in a certain lengths and amounts, I don't want to just jump into something right away. So if you guys are new to this channel, or if you've just been following me for a little while, I want you guys to head over to My Future Success. And this is a lifetime access. You guys never pay any monthly service fees. This is actually the 4th version of these metrics. So every time I do an upgrade to make this better and better, I give it to everyone completely for free. You guys never have to pay for any upgrades ever. Because the way I look at this, guys, is every upgrade, I'm helping myself become a better trader. You know, my mentor, who makes a crazy amount of money, I can't even tell you how much, has absolutely inspired me to the whole giving back. And it's absolutely incredible. I'll go and update this for you guys here. 1829 was the last time I did this. Let's go and see if there's any more people that have joined. just in the meantime, 1883. So quite a few people here. Guys, remember, you get 50% off all one-on-one trainings. I have 3 more one-on-one trainings today, and I'm so excited to meet some brand new people to get them on the journey with me. 82 ratings over here, 95% 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at some of these reviews real quick. I have failed prop firm challenges over and over, ready to give it up on trading. Taking one last shot with Justin, and my daily winnings have been very profitable and consistent. I can see a bright trading future ahead. Thank you. No, thank you. Honestly, hello, Justin. Just want to let you know that I was able to pass 2 trading combines with the help of your metrics. Thank you so much for all you do. God bless. Austin, congratulations and shout out to you, man, to be able to pass a couple prop firm accounts using these metrics. That is exactly what I want to do here. You guys, I want to be the person to educate and literally root on every single one of the individuals that I meet. Now, you guys, you are going to get access to a Discord. Of course, that is completely free as well. I don't charge anything for that, to just chat with other members too. And it's there to be able to just educate as much as possible. But I go on here live almost every single morning, showing my own personal accounts and the trades that I'm personally taking as educational purposes, so you can follow these metrics to a T. And at the end of the day, why are we all here? We want to make some extra money. You know, that is the name of the game. I'm looking at this real quick, you guys. See how this is a 20-point gap right here? These candles are not engulfing 20 points. So if I were to go back here and go over to 1 minute time frame, let's take a look here. At this point, now that candles have gone to that, this is where I would potentially want to be looking at going for a 1 minute time frame and a sell or buy if we end up getting this. Now, we have to adjust this, right? So if we're on the 1 minute time frame, we want to adjust this to 20 instead of 40. And this will adjust our take profit targets. So sell signal, and then it looks like target might have just been hit on here. But I'm going to wait for another signal to be populated, since we're getting a little bit of consolidation here, and see if that's an area that we can actually take out. If you guys go a little bit further left, here's another buy signal here. Here's our entry and then take profit. A massive run up so far this morning. Gosh, if anyone is doing my one-on-one trainings, here's another sell signal, another profit hit here as well. You guys take a look at this. In my one-on-one trainings, I'll give you a little sneak peek, a little extra added education if you're still watching this video. You can actually technically hold these trades. Oh, you know what, you guys? We're getting a buy signal illuminated right now. Let's look at this. We have 42 seconds left. Here on the 1 minute time frame, I need to go ahead and adjust this. Let's do it together. Let's go over to Tradovate. I need to adjust this to 20 because that is going to be on the 1 minute time frame, going for 5 points. And over here, what is this? This is set to 20. So how many seconds left? 27 seconds. At the end of this candle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter into this immediately when this counts down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go over here by the market here live with you guys and see exactly how this pans out this morning. Guys, we have 10 seconds left here. Let's do this together. Let's count down from 5, like New Year's. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and enter. I am in the market right now. Let's see what we can do with this trade. Now this has to come up here to 20,301.25 to close this position out, and then that will give us the $200 profit that we're looking at for the day here. Now the first level of resistance, where are we at right now? So you guys, actually right here, this is the first level of resistance that came up around 20,311.00. So this is where we could potentially see it come up to and bounce down. Now for stop losses, this is also a really important rule to let you guys know. At the end of candle close, if this white dot ends up closing either below the profit wave when I'm going long or above the profit wave when I'm going short, that's where I want to be exiting out of that trade. And I just don't like that setup anymore. So if we end up doing that, I'll end up closing out. But it looks like I have 9 seconds left here on this trade. I want to see if we can have this shoot back up here real quick and then take out this profit target here, which would be really nice. Just needs to go a little bit further here. And I'll stay here live with you guys to see exactly what happens with this trade. Looking to come back to almost break even here. Again, this is where we have to hit the target. Get a nice little push here would be really nice. Making a higher low overall here with price action here on the 1 minute time frame. Come on, push. You guys ever talk to your screen when you're actually doing trading and be like, you can do it. I know you can do it. Keep going. You got to like motivate it on. You're like, go, go, go. We only need to go a little bit further. Come on, let's close this out. There you go. Closed out trade right there here on the 1 minute time frame. Showing you guys here transparency. I'll go over here to the account. This is my live funded account here with Take Profit Trader. here this morning, $200 profit, one trade. So if we go ahead and update this, let's go back to a custom range of actually October 14th and today, and this should actually update to 19. 19 wins, 0 losses, $6,000 profit so far. So I'm just going to keep going and see how many days I can actually do this in a row, and you guys can see transparency of everything, every win, every loss that I incur on this account. Looks like this ended up going even further. Kind of exactly what we were saying is this is the first level of resistance. That could be it right there. So guys, that is a live example. Again, if you haven't done so, I showed you exactly how to make $200 in the market just this morning on that one trade alone. This is 99 for lifetime access, and you can literally duplicate these exact trades that I'm looking at every single morning and throughout the day, depending on if you're trading the New York session or any other session. This works throughout any market to be able to see the success and hopefully give you an edge on the market that you're looking for right now. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.